Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to order an item from Amazon. We will also put a link to our Amazon shop, and links for all the products used in this video in the description below. To start, open the website, then click on Sign In. Now, enter your email or mobile phone number. Then click on Continue. Next, enter your password. Then click on Sign In. Once you're signed in, search and browse for items. You could also use the search bar to look for the particular item you wish to buy. In this video, I use the search bar to find the item. To proceed, click on the item you wish to buy. On this page, you will see the item details. If you wish to check it out now, click on Buy Now. If you need to buy more items, just click on Add to Cart. Then repeat the previous steps to add more items. In this video, I selected Buy Now. If you also chose the same option, this pop-up window will appear. Review the shipping address, payment method, and the item. If everything looks good, click on Place Your Order. On the checkout page, select and enter all the necessary information. Here, you could change the shipping address, and select a payment method. Next, select a billing address. Click on your address, then click on the button that says Use this address. Lastly, select a delivery option. After that, click on Place Your Order. That's how you order an item from Amazon. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.